January 13th, 1980, Ranger Paul Fogate walked out of the visitor center in Arizona's Chiricahua Mountains. He didn't take his truck. He didn't take extra gear. He simply walked into the hills and vanished. Search teams scoured every ridge and valley for weeks. Helicopters flew over the mountains. Dogs combed the trails. No broken branches, no clothing. Not even a single footprint. It was baffling. The FBI opened a case, but there were no leads. Every effort, every theory ended in silence. For more than 40 years, the trail has remained empty. What makes this case truly baffling is that Paul knew those mountains better than anyone. A seasoned ranger, disappearing without a trace leaves only questions. And to this day, no one knows whether he left on his own or if something took him.